Hi, this is Mike D'Amico with ClickC, and I do websites. And we always like to appeal to the customer. And sometimes when you do a website, you can maybe put up maybe 5, 10, 15, 20 different options. And sometimes you need a lot more. Now, for something like for a birthday cake, there's a lot of different ways that people like their birthday cakes. And they like a certain flavor, a certain type. They want to put messages in. And, well, this is what we drew up. It's going to have over hundreds of different options, including different options for regular, gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free. We also have 24 different flavors, which we also have 12 different sizes, from 6-inch all the way to a full sheet. And then we have about 9 different frostings, and we also have we also would like, customers also like to put messages on their cakes. So we're gonna put this all on a page, and it's going to be easy for people to order. And if we make it easy, we'll get more orders. So this is the plans for the cake, and then once we get this site up, we're going to send it. We'll do another video, but I'm just excited that you could put unlimited options in a web page, and this will help make more sales. And people like things customized.